This has been a really exciting week for everyone that works here. We are encouraging our employees to go out and experience the show, learn more about manufacturing, just get some fresh ideas and bring them back to Arch. The young people of today need to look at this industry for sure. There's a lot of opportunity in this industry. I'm at the show to help support the employees. I am involved in every one of our business units. For me, that's really fun and exciting. I feel really strong that HR needs to immerse themselves into the business and understand the business so that we can be a support system for everyone else. Employees that come and join us, the sky's the limit. There's all kinds of opportunity in manufacturing. We really pride ourselves on strong machinists, developing into some of our engineering roles. We also believe in bringing people in that don't have any experience. I'm one of them, and I have the HR experience but not the manufacturing experience. So we are definitely open to bringing people in and teaching and training them. We really believe in letting people be themselves. We want them to come to work and enjoy work. We have a great company to work for.